A Boeing 777 plane takes off from an airport in Denver, Colorado, U.S. Something happens only a few minutes after the takeoff. One of the engines has problems. A plane cannot fly without engines. Some passengers see smoke and fire. They are very scared. They think that the plane will crash. The pilot returns to the airport. He lands safely. All the people are happy. 241 people are on board. They are all okay. Pieces of the engine fall down. They fall down in gardens and streets of Denver. People must not touch them. The police must find out what happens. Boeing has many 777 planes. Boeing wants to check all of them.